Hi there. Okay, so this is something that happens quite often. You'll download a file, and depending on how many subfolders you have, you can get an error that says the path is too long. So what I do when I get that is instead of putting it into my subfolders, I park it somewhere. So you can put it on your desktop, but I put it in my download folder. And so when I go into my downloads folder, that makes the path very short. I can just go ahead and click. If I right click on this and I go down to show more, I can rename it. So instead of this big long title, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And I'm going to go back to maybe something like that. It'll be a lot shorter. Now I can go in and I can extract it and I won't get the error. Let's make sure. Sometimes, there'll be things in this folder that make it pretty long. So now when I open it, now I have the file there. Now I can move that into any subfolder that I want to. I could cut and paste it, or I can just simply drag and drop it. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.